Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. All right, thanks for joining me. Today we're doing a product review. We're at the table and I have 8-ball Mafia line of pool cue. And it's made by Action Cues. And it's hard rock maple shaft, overlay graphics, Irish linen wrap, rubber bumper, stainless steel joint, and they use their own custom tip, or proprietary tip. So it's a vacuum sealed leather tip. Plays pretty good. Play with it for a little bit just to see, get the feeling of it. You know, it's definitely an entry level cue. I mean, this is much better than anything you're gonna find out in Walmart in regards to, you know, spend $40, $50. This is about, these cues range anywhere from $85 to about $135. So just figure, you know, probably 95 to 100 bucks, you could have a nice selection of the 8-ball Mafia cues. So again, you can check them out on my website. Just go to learnbilliards.com. Pool cues, 8-ball Mafia, you'll see the whole product line. Now, the shaft isn't as finished. I mean, it's extremely smooth, don't get me wrong, but it's an unfinished shaft. It does feel good. They finish it up to the first, looks like probably about an inch, inch and a half. And then it's completely smooth though, so don't get me wrong, it feels very good. It slides, it glides really nice. I'm just trying to give you all the details. Hits pretty good, the tip's decent tip, that's for sure. This one's a 21 ounce. Again, you could get them for anywhere from 18 to 20, up to 21 ounce. It's a pretty decent cue. I mean, it has a nice solid hit. You definitely tell the difference if you're playing with a mid-grade to an expensive cue. But again, it's much better than any $40 or $50 cue that I've ever played with. So again, it's balanced pretty nice. The whole finish, overall finish altogether, is very well put together. And like I said, you know, it's overlay graphics, so that's how they keep the price down. That's one major way how they keep the price down on these pool cues. Yeah, plays, like I said, very, very well. So if you're just, you know, looking to start out, or maybe you bought one of those Walmart cues and you'd like to upgrade, this is definitely something to consider. So again, check out my website. You can check out this 8-ball Mafia cue. I'll do a close-up on the graphics. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. So again, this is a entry level, or what I consider entry level cue when you're serious about playing pool. So again, you know, if your budget's tight and you want to spend $100, you know, right around $100, definitely consider this cue. Again, or at least the 8-ball Mafia line. Have to say, because they all made identical. It's just a matter of what graphic you get on here. So I'm going to do a close-up. Here's a close-up of this 8-ball Mafia cue. You can see the skull graphics on there. I have to say, it's pretty decent. I really like this cue. The graphics are pretty cool on there. And let me scroll over and you can get a better view of the rest. So let's see, right there, we should be able to, yeah, that looks pretty good. So like I said, the graphics pretty cool on this cue. You can see, you know, the checkered design in there, and then the points, and then also the skulls, and they have the 8-ball in there. So pretty cool cue. And here we are back on the butt of the cue, and you can see the graphics on there. It's very cool. Please check it out. You won't be disappointed. Again, if you're looking for an entry level cue, 8-ball Mafia is definitely one to consider.